Unveiling the mystery. What's the lowdown? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations. The phrase is, "What's the lowdown?" If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, "What's the lowdown?" is a casual and somewhat informal way of asking for the essential details or the most important information about a situation, event, or topic. It's like asking, "What's happening?" or "What should I know about this?" but with a focus on getting the insider or the most relevant information. Imagine you're hearing about a new policy at work, a friend's new business, or even gossip. Using "What's the lowdown?" shows that you want more than just the surface details. You're interested in the nitty-gritty, the real scoop. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The term lowdown has its roots in American slang from the late 19th to early 20th century. It originally referred to the truthful, essential facts or the most fundamental aspects of a matter. Over time, it evolved into a more general term used in casual conversation to inquire about detailed information or specifics. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to incorporate "What's the lowdown?" into your everyday conversations. It's perfect for informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Here are a few examples. When you hear about a party or an event, "I heard there's a surprise party for Jenna next week." What's the lowdown? Inquiring about a new policy or change at work. So, there's a new working from home policy. What's the lowdown on that? Catching up with a friend about another friend's situation. "I heard Mike is moving to Spain." What's the lowdown? It's a great way to show your interest in the details and to engage in deeper conversation. It's also important to know when not to use certain phrases. "What's the lowdown?" is casual and might not be appropriate in very formal or professional settings. For example, in a formal business meeting, job interview, or when talking to someone you're not familiar with, it's better to use more formal language like, "Could you provide me with more details about?" or "I would like to know more about." And that's the lowdown on "What's the lowdown?" We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the nuances and flavors of different expressions. So, don't be afraid to try out new phrases and expressions as you continue your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.